This video covers how to create a restore job. So if I had a computer that crashed that I had been backing up, I would, once I got it restored and I had the operating system running and everything back, I would want all my files back. So the easiest way to do that would be to create a restore job. So from the dashboard, I would click restore job. I'm going to click a name. So I'm going to say recover files. Oops. And then you would select the device you want to recover those files from. So I'm going to say the machine, in this case, the machine that I had backed them up from, and I'm going to restore it to the machine, that same machine, because I restored it and it's the same named computer in this case. These could be different. This might be when if you were moving from one computer to another, say you backed up files from a specific device and you got a new computer and it's replacing that device and you named it something different, you would restore from that device where you originally backed it up and restore to the new place. So that's how you could move files from one computer to another easily. I'm going to select the backup date. So in this case, I'm going to say that this happened and I wasn't expecting it. So I'm going to want my most recent versions of my files. So I'm going to select everything because I want it all. And I'm going to say, I would say run now. And in this case, I'm going to say on hold because I don't really want to start this backup. I would select to be notified when it was done. So in other words, it's going to be running in the background and I'm not really going to know what it's doing, but it's going to be working. So if I select the status notification, then as soon as it gets done, it'll send it to me. And technically on a restore, you would see some of these files show up if you navigated through the folders that you had backed up originally, you would see files start to show up. But monitoring that is kind of time consuming, so instead you just set up a status notification and then as soon as the job is done, you know, and you'll see all those files. So then I click restore job when I'm done, and now I can see this restore job right here and it's on hold, but I could also create this in advance and then when I was ready I could just press the play button, and as soon as I press this play button that job will run instantly. That's how you would create a restore job.